We're going to be doing a side-by-side test with the Fisher Goldbug 2 and the DeepTech Gold. We're going to be doing a micro jewelry test and also a regular ring to see how they perform. We're going to be using these. Here we have a stud. This is actually a small diamond stud earring. We have a 3.5 gram 14-inch chain that we put on a ruler here. You can see it's put in at 1 inch and it goes to 4, so it's going to be a little over 3 inches down because we're going to put this in the sand, so just the top part right here shows. Then we have this 14 karat gold ring that is taped on the bottom of a 10-inch ruler, and so you're going to be able to see this for depth. We're going to try this out. So these are the 3 pieces we're going to test. All right, first we're going to show just the gold chain. We're going to do that one on top. Okay, we're going to show the machines that are set to discriminate iron and hear everything else. Here we go. That's the chain. Lying on its edge, you can hear it. No problem. Okay, now we're going to take the Fisher Goldbug. And we're going to do the same thing. The Fisher Goldbug is at full sensitivity, also set to discriminate out iron. I'll show you the setting right here. Got some shadows to deal with. Okay. No problem on the gold chain. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put this down to depth. We're going to bury it at 3 inches. And take that out. Okay, we're going to put it down. Let's fill that in and see how both of these machines, it's amazing that they get that gold chain. Now we're going to try it and see how it works at 3 inches. Fisher Goldbug gets it. No problem. We put it in all metal. We get a very faint signal in all metal, kind of like a better and discriminate. Get a nice little pop. So that's a good signal there. Okay, now we're going to leave it at that depth. We're going to try out the DeepTech and see what we get. Okay, the DeepTech we have also set to knock out nails. Take a look at the screen here. We're in slow, maximum sensitivity, and we'll give it a shot and see what it sounds like. No problem on this micro gold piece of jewelry. Nice and clear. Okay, let's try. Now we're just going to take it down a little bit deeper. Take that same piece and we're just going to dig it down, maybe put another inch or so, see what it does. Take it down. Okay, let's see where you're at. Okay, that's good. Yeah, pile it in. Pile it in. Yeah, you put it down about another inch deeper. Let's see how it sounds. We'll try the Fisher first. Again, here we are at maximum sensitivity. There we go. There's the screen. Let's try it on discriminate and see what we get. Very good. Go real slow. Barely get it. It's there, but it's a very, very tough signal now. We're probably down a good 4 plus inches. Okay, let's try the DeepTech and hear how it sounds. Okay. Let's see what it's. We've got some wind going, so it might be a little hard to hear, but we're definitely getting a signal here with the DeepTech. Okay, so we're both machines did very well. We're going to put this down just a little deeper, and we're going to try it one more time and see. We're already down extreme depth. Let's give it another shot. This Fisher Goldbug at 72 kilohertz is it's quite the machine. It's not that deep. It's to your left a little bit. You're just missing it.
Okay.
Yeah, there it is. Okay. Yep. Go ahead. Just put it right about there. That's good. That's going to be tough. That's a good 5 inches down. Okay. That's good. Okay. So it should be right around there somewhere. Let's try the Fisher again. Yeah, this 71 kilohertz machine, very sensitive to gold, especially the real fine stuff. Okay. Let's see if we get anything now. Okay, yeah, we're out of range. I'm getting it to click and pop. It's right there. I'm getting it to click and pop. There's one. Yeah, that's really, really tough. Okay, this is we're still at, as you can see, we're at maximum sensitivity, and we got to have that chain's got to be 5 inches down right here. But that's the dead center of it. I get an occasional pop, and that's it. Okay, let's try the DeepTech now. Okay. Wow, it's still picking it up. We got a plane going overhead, which is not helping us right now. But I'm gonna wait a minute as this goes by. Okay. Actually, we're still getting this. It's very impressive. This DeepTech hold is here in the chain. It's a faint signal, but there's no question it's there. No question at all. Let's take this out. There it is. There's the top of the wood. Absolutely, absolutely. Go ahead and grab that out. The next test we're going to try now, we're going to take this diamond stud and we're going to push this down. This is approximately 3 inches deep because we have the diamond stud at the 1/2 inch mark, and we got the little ruler 3.5 inches. We'll put this straight down and see what we get. So let's go ahead and take this. Here. Okay, with the Goldbug on the hearing post. Huh. That's a tough one. Let me try all metal. Nope. It's just like a drift. It's hardly even a signal. You can see the settings on this. Here's the settings on. I'm going to put it back up on discriminate. I couldn't get it in all metal. Sensitivity is all the way up. And at 3 inches, oh, there goes one. Hang on. This is really at the limit of its range. Just an occasional off and on pop. Now we're going to try the DeepTech. Let's see what we get. Okay. Okay, let's see what we get on this. This is plain as day. Here, let's take this out. Put it right on top. Alright, so we get it clean as day here at 3 inches with the DeepTech. Let's try with the Fisher again. Here we go. Everything's sensitivity is all the way up again. We're ground balanced, we're indiscriminate. Let's see what we get. No problem here. No problem on top, so we're going to take it again. We're going to push this down. There's a stud at the bottom. I'm going to push it down. Let's see what we get now. Yeah, in the sand at about 3 inches down. That's tough for this machine. I'm not getting it to come back just once in a while. When I take it out, no problem. It just is having trouble getting it at 3 inches. Let me show you again. You get it no problem here. Put it down 3 inches. Fill it in. It's just at the limit. It's just at its limits. We got the coil right down here. You can see we're right on it. I get an occasional pop, and that's it. And again, here's the settings. And we'll try it again with the DeepTech, just to show you. Okay, here we go. That's clean as can be. I'm gonna actually take my boost off to hear if there's any difference now. Let's try without the boost. I'm still getting it. I'm gonna turn the sensitivity back with the boost off. I'm gonna turn the sensitivity back to about 3/4 right now. See how that works. Now it's just a whisper signal, but I still get it. You could hear it. When I turn the sensitivity up all the way, definitely louder. And then with the boost on, very nice clear signal. Okay, now we have a hole that we've dug out, and we're going to place this ring at the bottom. This is just a 14 karat ladies ring. As you can see by the ruler, we're 10 inches down. It's at the way bottom, and we're going to see how the machines react to deep gold that really any machine can get. I'm going to pop this in. Okay, there we are. I'm going to be able to see the top of it. I'm going to fill it in. Okay. There's the top of it. Top of the ruler is right there. Okay. Now, first thing we're going to do, let's try the gold bug. Okay. Try all metal. I'm getting a little bit of drift. I'm not getting a signal at all. Put it back on iron disc. We heard a pop. Go slow or fast, it doesn't seem to make a difference. Can't get that to come back at 10 inches. Okay. Now we're going to try. Okay, we have the Vista Gold. We're trying this again at full sensitivity with boost on. See what we get. No problem at all. Now that's a 10-inch ring. So let's take the boost off now. We'll try it without the boost. Just a little softer, we still get it. And we're on maximum sensitivity, as you can see. We're maximum sensitivity, so let's take the sensitivity back about 3/4. Let's try it, see if we still get it. Soft signal, but no problem. I will put everything back up to full power. The full power again. Unmistakable signal.